Every minute slipping by, even when I close my eyes. Ruthless.